इसकी यात्रा कैसे हुई, ओडिसी की यात्रा?
सो ओडिसी का हिस्ट्री
हम्म,
टेम्पल से शुरू होता है। पुरी
हम्म,
जगन्नाथ टेम्पल, वो
हम्म,
महारीज उड़ीसा से बोलते हैं,
हम्म,
बिकॉज इसका ट्रेडिशन थोड़ा सा अलग था। महारी का महान नारी, जो ग्रेट वुमन हु वाज मैरिड टू लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ, और दे वुड डांस स्पेसिफिकली फॉर जगन्नाथ जी। मतलब दरवाज़ा का बंद होता है,
ओके,
सो रेगुलर ऑडियंस देख नहीं सकते।
अच्छा,
सो और इसके अंदर दरवाजे बंद, क्लोजिंग, दे वुड डांस द गीत गोविंद
हम्म,
टू जगन्नाथ जी। Now, what happened was during the decline of this style
हम्म,
and the Britishers ruling of,
हम्म,
and of course Mughal invasion,
हम्म,
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started another sect of dancers called Gotipoa, young boys who would dress up as girls.
ओके,
And actually, Odissi really got its formation from Gotipoa, because most of the major gurus of Odissi dance were from Gotipoa tradition. And then it evolved. Once they grew up, they evolved into the theatre, Jatra. So that's how it moved. It moved from Puri temple to Gotipoa. Gotipoa would travel
हम्म,
to various villages. Then it went to Jatra. Jatra is where all the major architects of Odissi met each other. Guru
हम्म,
Keluchan Mahapatra, Guru Mayadhar Raut, Adi Guru Pankaj Charan Das, and Deva Prasad Das. They
हम्म,
all were in the theatre together. And it is there, it is where Odissi got Odissi.
ओके,
And then they spent years studying it. Guru Mayadhar Raut went to Kalakshetra to study the Natya Shastra.
हम्म,
Of course, he learned Bharatanatyam and Kathakali there. But with that theoretical knowledge, they came. He came back to Orissa. Then they formulated Odissi dance theoretically, because at
ओके,
that time, that theoretical part was not there.
हम्म,
So once it was formulated and ready, then they went to Hyderabad, and in Hyderabad is where they got its status. So
ओह,
I think in 1967 is where Odissi got its status as a classical dance. And for that, they had to present its history, its theory, its practical, what it looks like, what is the repertoire of Odissi. So from there,
बट
it started the
बट
evolution.
मोस्ट पीपल से दैट ओडिसी नृत्य में जो कलाकार है वो एक चलती फिरती मूर्ति की तरह दिखाई देती है, सो व्हाई इज दैट सो?
Um, so Odisha temples, especially Konark, uh, it has not only inspired Odissi but other classical styles as well, because Konark में ना जो sculptures, वो sculpture से इन लोगों ने यूज किया।
इंस्पायर हुए?
yes, inspired, मतलब position wise, और bhangis, the positions of the body. So यहाँ से it has come to the inspiration of the dancers, because in Odissi we take, especially the pure dance, we show how the positions of the Konak Mandir are in pure dance as well. And many senior gurus have done their research in other styles using Konak temple as the one of the base, because Konark temple has, so it is just when you go you see
हाँ हाँ, I've seen
it's
it.
just full. And of course Konark is, there are other temples, the temples in Khajuraho as well, they also have the same
सिमिलर, हाँ,
yeah,
सेम।
carvings as well. So that is also the inspiration of what Odysseys, Bhangis, or positions of the hands, execution of the Hastamudras. It has been inspired basically from the temple.